of his plans once he gets here. The official schedule was released today, and it includes a stop at the Cathedral of St. Matthew in downtown D.C., as well as meetings with the president and with poor families through Catholic charities. The most public appearance is going to be an open-air mass on the grounds of the Basilica of the National Shrine. To read the full itinerary for the papal visit in September, we've posted it for you at WJLA.com. July 1st means 8 new laws going into effect in Virginia. Here are now just a few that you can look out for. Campus police departments will have 48 hours to notify local prosecutors when they start investigating alleged sexual assault. And it'll also now be illegal for employers to ask employees for usernames and passwords to social media accounts. And on the roads, drivers can cross a double yellow line in order to pass a pedestrian or cyclist safely. A significant change in Maryland is coming as well. It's a welcome change for drivers there starting tomorrow. Lower tolls going into effect. You want to read more about that? We'll tell you how and much rather they're going to be going down and where at WJLA.com. Those lower tolls may mean more travelers this holiday weekend. AAA says more than 1 million people in the D.C. metro region will be traveling 50 miles or more for the holiday. Gas prices expected to be at their lowest levels in 5 years. And AAA says more people traveling by car this year as well. Now, just need some weather to cooperate with those plans.
And tomorrow is looking a whole lot better. And when you see the 7-day, you're going to see a lot of thunderstorm symbols on there, but it doesn't mean it's going to be a washout. So
ignore what you put up on the screen? Is that what you're saying?
It's not going to be a washout, so pay attention to that part. Hey, we do have a few storms out there right now, mainly to the north of D.C. and to the west of D.C., but nothing inside the Capital Beltway. Earlier, we had a severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Frederick County that is now canceled out. But you'll notice that little box that you see, Frederick County into the panhandle of West Virginia right over here. This is a flash flood warning until 1:45, and this is going to probably cancel out a little bit before then because the heaviest of that storm has now moved north of the Mason-Dixon line. Now we're watching a few storms across the Blue Ridge, the Shenandoah. These will continue to track toward the north and northeast, and you may hear a few rumbles of thunder as we head through the overnight hours, but not expecting anything else to become severe. 78 degrees for our current temperature at Reagan National Airport. Our daytime high did make it up to 89 degrees, 1 degree above average for this time of year. Another warm day tomorrow, but not as humid. 75 this hour in Gaithersburg, 76 at Dulles, a little bit cooler in Winchester, in the 60s in Petersburg, and out in the mountains in Elkins, looking at only 60 degrees right now. Not bad for the last day of June. Dew point levels are now rising into the upper 60s to lower 70s. That's why it feels a bit more sticky out there, a bit uncomfortable. We'll keep that for the overnight, but not quite as humid for the day tomorrow. 66 to 72. We'll see a chance for a few showers and thunderstorms as we head through the overnight hours, but by early tomorrow morning, you can stow the umbrella and grab the sunglasses. And this is the reason why. Here's our future cast, 11 o'clock tonight. It shows the showers, the scattered showers and thunderstorms. Look how they all move on out. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, partly cloudy skies. The district in Montgomery County, Loudoun County, Fairfax, looking at a good deal of sunshine, and the sun will stick around for a good part of the day. As we head through the later afternoon hours, a few added clouds. Nothing that's going to amount to a whole lot. May see a sprinkle or two, but another round of showers and thunderstorms come Thursday, Friday, and a chance for those storms during the day on Saturday. Let's pull apart the weekend for you. We're showing daytime highs around 85 to 87 degrees both Saturday and Sunday, with just a chance for a few showers and thunderstorms. And those who are planning ahead for the 4th of July fireworks at the National Mall, we're talking about temperatures upper 70s to around 80 degrees with showers and storms coming to an end.
All right. We saw some fireworks tonight.
We did.
North of the border.
Exactly. The fun still continues for USA. I'm sorry. You win, you go to the finals. Just like that. It was a packed house in Quebec for what seemed like the World Cup final, but it was only the semifinal. Highlights from USA and #1 Germany after the break. Yeah.
Countdown to 4th of July, brought to you by Giant.
They said there'd be nights like this, long nights, when you'd use all your soothing moves. The Paul Revere, the crane operator, the speed skater, the court stenographer, the taffy puller. So you planned accordingly and spent